looking at cities like Dubai, Shanghai, New York, London, Paris, Singapore, Hong Kong, and a few more, what we wanted to do is to understand what did the cities do well to excel in green buildings. What can we learn from these cities in terms of green buildings efficiency? What can other cities learn? And also, what can we learn from cities which are not global necessarily, but excel also in green building applications and green building efficiencies?
So Paris is doing well in terms of green buildings, perhaps for several reasons that I can think of. First one is green building certification in France, which is very stringent. It is multidimensional. It works on the level of materials, of energy. It looks at the outside of buildings. Is the building friendly to the environment? Is it friendly to its users? So it looks at inside the buildings as well. It is rather than means-oriented, it is rather target-oriented, and it is awarded for buildings which reach certain levels of environmental performance.
Although we are a small country, but we are very keen to make sure that we do our part for the environment. So that's why we started our green building movement about 10 years ago. So going forward, it is probably very important for us to look for innovation to achieve breakthrough. And to do that, we need to spend a lot more on R&D. So we are looking for cost-effective green building solutions. We are looking for breakthroughs in energy-efficient design. Can we go beyond what's the maximum possible today? And of course, it is very important for us to make sure that our building users are also on board.
Sydney's been a pioneer of green buildings and originally energy efficiency. We're not just looking at individual buildings, but entire precincts, and not just looking at greenhouse gas emissions or waste or energy efficiency or more efficient use of water, but moving on to productivity and the wellness of the occupants of buildings.